Hello everyone and welcome to our new English lesson. And today we will deal with health and welfare vocabulary, part 2. And in this lesson we are going to deal with these parts. First part is going to be about medical treatment. In the second part it is going to be about people in healthcare. And in the last part, it is going to be about places in healthcare. And at the end of each part, we will have a small practice. So let's start with the first part, which is medical treatments. I am sure that you are already familiar with some medical treatments in English. So here I am helping you with pictures, and your job is to guess and describe the picture. And after we get it right, we will read some examples so as to remember it better. So here we go. Let's look at the first picture. What do you see? Great. It's a bandage. A bandage. For example, try to use this bandage to help you stop the bleeding. Next picture. What do you see? Great. It is a checkup. Checkup means medical or dental examination. For example, I have a checkup next month. Next picture. What is this? Great. It's medicine. For example, you have to take this medicine 3 times a day. Next picture. What is this picture about? Great. Drugs. For example, the doctor can prescribe drugs if necessary. Next. Here. What is this? Great. Pill. For example, take 1 pill before you go to bed. Next. What is the picture about? Great. Injection. For example, some medicine is given by injection. Injection. Great. Next picture. Good. Tranquilizer. For example, this tranquilizer will calm your nerves so you can rest. Next picture. Good. Operation. Operation. For example, Ron has a serious operation on Friday. Last one. Painkiller. Painkiller. For example, take this painkiller, it usually acts fast. So let's see to what extent your memory is good to remember these medical treatments. Here, the activity is about matching. So you match these medical treatments with their meanings. And again, I am going to help you with the pictures. Number 1, painkiller. What is the meaning of painkiller? Great. Painkiller is a medicine that reduces pain. Well done. 2, a bandage. Great. It is a long piece of cloth that you cover or wrap around an injured part of your body. Great. Number 3, checkup. Yes, checkup is an examination that doctor does in order to make sure that you are healthy. Next, number 4, medicine. Great. A medicine is a substance that you take to treat an illness. Number 5, operation. Good. Operation is, well done, an act of surgery performed on a patient. Number 6. Tranquilizer. Great. A drug that makes people calmer when they are very worried or nervous. Last one? Yes, it's a small piece of solid medicine that you swallow with water. Well done. So hope you find part 1 easy. Now it is time to move to part 2. It is about people in healthcare. So we are going to see some jobs or some people's role in healthcare. Good job. So here as well I am going to help you with pictures and you need to find out or guess the job. After you get it right, we will read some examples about each job so as to remember them better. Picture number 1. What is the picture about? Great. It is about a dentist. Well done. For example, the dentist gave me a checkup and cleaned my teeth. Next, a doctor. For example, the doctor forbids him to smoke. Next, great, a nurse. For example, the nurse will come in to check on you every hour. Next, a patient. The doctor sees many patients each day. Next, general practitioner. For example, most families have a general practitioner to help them with most needs. Next, yes, a midwife. Many women choose to have a midwife help with the birth of their baby. Means a قابلة. Good job. Last picture, a surgeon. Very good. For example, the surgeon is performing an eye operation. Great. I hope you can remember these jobs so that we can perform this activity. So the activity is about matching. You are going to match the job title with the right definition. Job titles with the right definitions. Great. So number 1, a dentist. A dentist. Great. A dentist is a person whose job is to treat and examine people's teeth. 2, a surgeon. A surgeon is a doctor who does operations. Well done. 3, a doctor. A doctor is a person whose job is to treat people who are sick or injured. Number 4, patient. Patient. Good. A patient is a person who is receiving medical treatment. Number 5, a nurse. A nurse is a person who is trained to take care of sick or injured people. Last one, a midwife. A midwife is a nurse whose job is to take care of women when they are having a baby. A midwife in Arabic means a قابلة. Let's move now to the last part, which is about some places in healthcare. Places in healthcare. Look at the first picture. What is the place here? Good. It is a hospital. A hospital. For example, Julia works as a nurse in a hospital. Next picture. What is the place? Great. It is an operating room. For example, the surgeon entered the operating room and began the operation. Next. What is the place? Great. It is a waiting room. For example, you can wait in the waiting room until he is finished. Last picture. What is the place? Good. It is a hospital ward. A ward. For example, Mr. Smith is in the word at the end of the whole. Well done. So let's see to what extent you still remember the places. So match the places with the picture they describe. So number one, a hospital. Hospital. Great, it is with C. Number two, a waiting room. Good job. D. 3. Operating room. Well done. B. A word. Very good job. It is A. I hope that you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you for your attention and see you next lesson inshallah. Thank you.